Hello, my name is Sarvinos. I am going to solve assignment 4. Let's start. I am going to solve this problem in C++, and as you can see we have output here and we have 5 rows, and number of rows we're gonna write down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have number of correct letters, and as you can see we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 letters here, and next one is number of spaces, and we're gonna count down just half side of this, and we have at first we have 4 spaces, and then next one we have just 3 and 2. Next one we have 1, and last one we have just 0. And let's start to solve the problem. Now we are gonna solve the problem. Here we are gonna use for loop, and integer and a equals to 1, e greater or equal to 5, and then a plus plus, and then we are gonna open new for here, and as you can see we are gonna write down next and next character is j equals to 0, and then semicolon, and g5 minus a, and then j plus plus. And we have cout here, and cout is going to show the space. We're gonna write down nothing here, and then next char is gonna represent a character, and we have 64 plus a, and then next 4 here. Integer is going to be k, and this one semicolon to a, and k plus plus. Next one cout, it's gonna show the character here, and final one we are gonna end this code. And here I use 3 variables, which is a, j, k. At first j going to represent a spaces, and next one I'm gonna either use a char because computer gonna read just char in letter. We have 64 here because in IC code it's 64 represent an 8. Now I will write a trace table. As you can see we have 3 characters. We have here e started with 1. We have here 1, and j equals to 5 minus a. We have a is 1, and we're gonna put a 4. J represent spaces, so we are gonna put a 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that we have k, which is character. We have just started with 1, so I am gonna put 1, and we are gonna put it a here. Why I wrote I? Because 64 plus I here it's 1, and overall it's going to be 65, and then 65 represents an A here. Now I became 2 here, and I'm gonna put it 2, and then space going to be 3, J, and then k is going to be automatically 3, and we have 3 spaces here and a 3 character here, it's B. Why B? Because 64 plus 2 is going to be 66, which is represent a bay. Now I became a 3 here, and then space going to be 2, character is going to be 5, and we are gonna put 2 space here and then 5 character, which is say. Now I became 4, and then space going to be just 1 here and 7 character. We have 1 space as you can see, and we have 7 character, which is there. So here, and then it's automatically going to be 5, and as you can see we have 5 here, and there is 0 space, and then we have 9 character, which is A. And we have just 1. As you can see, we already prepare a code, and we have trace table, and then we have output here.